I'm using a filter because I look like crap today, and this actually makes me look nice. Decent. And so my son, he plays this stupid game like, oh, Lady Gaga or this, or like Taylor Swift or this, right? Mind you, I'm watching Hannah Montana, the 20-year anniversary. He goes, Mommy, Lady Gaga or Hannah Montana? I'm like, Lady Gaga, hands down. Then he goes, oh, Hannah Montana or Miley Cyrus? Tristan, they are the same person. This kid was what? Like, he's the same person? You know how hard I wanted to smack the crap out of him? Like, bruh.